Ooh, this looks so good. So you can see from the front of the box, it says Raspberry Pi 400. Basically shows you the keyboard connected to the HDMI, the monitor, and to the mouse as well. So when we look at the side of the box, you can see a front view of the Pi 400. And when we look at the other side of the box, you'll be able to see that it shows you the different parts that are available. You have the GPIO header, the micro SD card slot, 2 micro HDMI, the USB-C power port, 2 USB 3.0, 1 USB 2.0 which you can use to connect the mouse. This is the USB 2.0 because it's the slower port, so you can use it for the mouse. And for the USB 3.0, you can always connect an external SSD or hard disk or USB drive. And then finally, you have the Gigabit Ethernet. So one thing I've learned is that for the Raspberry Pi 400, it's not like the physical Raspberry Pi 4 single board computer. So you can actually buy Raspberry Pi 4 by itself, right? And it will have all the ports, including the extra USB 2.0 USB port that is available to you. But of course, for this, they have basically designed the product so that it's actually catered to the design of the keyboard housing.